And authorities are now in a race against time to improve the roads in St. Thomas before schools reopen on Monday. The implementing agency and the main contractor say short-term work will be done on the roads this weekend. More from Dwayne Anderson.
The new academic year in St. Thomas will be greeted by a familiar problem: poor road conditions along most of the major roadways in the parish. The situation is due to what citizens call the never-ending rehabilitation work. The stories of losses suffered by motorists along the roadway are many. But the National Works Agency NAA and China Harbour Engineering Company CHEC want to improve sections of the road in time for school come Monday. During a tour of the area, they discussed the plans with stakeholders.
We expect that China Harbour, through its subcontractors, will be carrying out some work this weekend, because we do know that school reopens on Monday and there is going to be a lot of traffic on these roads taking students to and from school.
At the same spot, I had made a promise that within 2 weeks we would have had somewhat of a better road condition. There has been significant delay to that plan based on the rains over the last 1 week period, so I must apologize. But as the operators and the Member of Parliament would have said, we have a plan to do some short-term fix that should work and make the road condition better for back to school.
Despite several missed timelines, the head of the Eastern Taxi Association hopes the authorities make good on their promises this time.
We are happy to know that at least something is being done by addressing some short term of the problem. And I hope going forward it can be maintained where we don't have to, like what happened the other day with the road being blocked.
One road user told our news team that many commuters in St. Thomas are restive ahead of Monday's restart of school.
Because the man are aware, so people about God and service.
Dwayne Anderson, News.